Then go to your home page by clicking on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. After that, click on the search bar in the middle. After that, you should type in either the job title you are looking for or the name of the company, or a keyword that will help you to search for positions. After that, you should indicate the location below the job title that you have typed in, and then hit enter. And here you can see that you have a bunch of filters that you can apply in terms of companies. You can search by salaries and interviews. As you click on the jobs, you can also tap on this filter button next to the notify me of new jobs section. So you can indicate the job type, the date posted, the salary, distance, company rating, company size, and then click on the apply button. And here you can find the open positions. So if you are interested in any of these click on the relevant one and then check out the position itself. Here you have the job description, the company section, then reviews, why work with us, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.